Gondorot Taveras gets it back to Danny Siegel. Siegel to Lordy Tugade! A big shot by TM3 sa inside ng TM. Pinalakas na touch mobile. 9 points for Lordy Tugade.
That's why he's in the game for the 3-point shot.
And it's a 2-point lead by San Miguel. We have a timeout.
Dito sa Alaska Aces. Oh, Lordy Tugade! Yeah! Stop lang tayo! Ito ang pinapanggit natin about Lordy Tugade. Maaaring pa jump-jump lang yan. Pero kung sinakailangan, matalas na matalas ang 3-point shooting yan. Di ba winaming ka na namin kayo?
Air 21. No, you have Ronnie Del De Ocampo guarding Mike Cortez. Here goes Rosella. Kicks it out to Lordy Tugade. Yeah! He knocks down the three. He knocks down the three. That's a TM3 coming from Lordy Tugade.
What an execution! Hindi natin anticipate yun, partner. But that was a huge gamble to go with a 3-point shot. A huge gamble.
They were looking for a drop pass, but that was the available shot. Was outside attempt by Lordy Tugade. Here's the hand of Austin Rosella. Finds Tugade all alone. Late challenge by Arwin Santos. The biggest three of the ball game so far. Tugade has 19 points in the ball game, but more importantly gives Magnolia a 2-point lead, 102-100. We have 21.4 seconds remaining. And now it's all heart here for Lordy Tugade in knocking down that crucial jumper. But the job is not yet done for Magnolia.
To give a foul here. So si Ontiveros ngayon ang maghahanap ng game-winning shooter. And who's it going to be? Tugade for the win! Yeah!
And it's a 3-pointer. He divides the play, and his players executed it very well.
Naka-outfit. Pasok na pasok yung tirang yun ni Lordy Tugade. No question.
San Miguel Magnolia will win this ballgame.
And it's not just a buzzer beating 2-pointer, it's a buzzer beating TM3. So bigat. So at the buzzer, the Magnolia Beverage Masters score 2 in a row in Antipolo, winning overtime next 96-93. A dramatic come from behind win here in Antipolo. Buzzer beating 3-pointer by Lordy Tugade. Reyes Joy Delaray, my partner Rado Di Malibot. I'm Miko Halili saying good night from Antipolo, Bella Alto, Filipinas. This is the PBA on ABC. Who's it going to be? Tugade for the win! Yeah!
And it's a 3-pointer.
Pasok na pasok yung tirang yan ni Lordy Tugade. No question.
Tugade for 3! Yes, sir! Here we go. Tugade gets the pass. And he gets the basket. What a well-executed play here.
His team get the upper hand. Maybe praying a little bit from the outside. Tugade hits the jumper. Man, back and forth we go. San Miguel.
Teller. Tutorion around the back. Tugade.
Big shot.
Oh, that is huge.
Neither one of these. Natili, dalawa pa rin itong lamang ng Magnolia. Getaway move here to Lordy Tugade. Biglang nakawala sa bantay.
A nice pick set up there for Lordy Tugade.
Look at this once again.
The pass and the pick. And the rotation was very, very slow to pick up Lordy Tugade.
Ildefonso. Tugade for 3. Yes, sir! TM3 for the Alaminos Assassin.
Laging may assassin ito.
Naghahabol ng Magnolia. Tugade for 3. Yes, sir!
Pag-assassin ka talaga, ay asintado ang 3-pointer ni Tugade.
For the Alaminos Assassin by Lordy. The basketball finally. Ito, Tugade for 3. Yes, sir!
Parang assassin talaga ito si Tugade. Kita mo, walang kadamdamin.
Under 2 minutes remaining and Tugade goes for 3. Yes, sir!
Naginit na ang assassin.
The Alaminos Assassin with another TM3. 19 points for the pride of Alaminos Pangasinan. back-to-back TM triples. Napakainit ni Lordy para sa Magnolia Beverage Masters. Ang Magnolia dito because of that man, the Alaminos Assassin.
Ibang klase ay pinapakita, especially in this crucial juncture of the ball game kung saan humahabol na namang muli.